Number 10. Vision of the Fjords. The Vision of the Fjords stands out as a marvel of modern shipping, having garnered the prestigious 2016 Ship of the Year award. This emblematic vessel is celebrated not only for its aesthetically pleasing design, which features mountain path-like zigzags, reminiscent of the western Norwegian fjords it navigates, but also for its sustainable measures and superior operational quality within the UNESCO World Heritage-listed fjords. This 40-meter-long ship, with a capacity of around 400 passengers, allows for an intimate connection with nature, whether by letting passengers ascend the vessel for panoramic views or by offering a comforting interior with lounges for enjoying the scenery in a warmer setting. Its award-winning stature comes from its advanced environmental technology, such as the dual-fuel system that switches to silent, emission-free electric power upon entering the fjords, enhancing the voyage without disturbing the serene habitat. Moreover, the specially designed hull plays a significant role in environmental conservation by minimizing shoreline erosion. Thus, the Vision of the Fjords delivers an unparalleled journey for its passengers while upholding a steadfast commitment to environmental guardianship. This raises an intriguing question about the distinction between a yacht and a ship, particularly as vessels like these challenge our traditional definitions.
Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification to stay updated.
Number 9. The Bajamar Express. The latest maritime marvel to take to the water is the Bajamar Express, a colossal 118-meter-long trimaran. A marvel of modern engineering, this vessel comprises 3 distinct hulls, a design feature that characterizes trimarans. Constructed for Fred Olsen Express, which stands as the premier inter-island maritime transporter in the Canary Islands, the Bajamar Express is poised to begin its service, scheduled for February this year. The trimaran has been meticulously engineered to afford passengers maximum comfort while ensuring the safe conveyance of cargo. Boasting a capacity to host over 1,100 individuals and accommodating space for 276 vehicles, the ship is not only vast but also swift, cruising at a brisk speed of 38 knots, equivalent to roughly 70 kilometers per hour. The onboard amenities, the likes of bars, playgrounds, and a variety of shops, promise to enrich passengers' travel experience. Number 8. Yas Private Yacht. The Yas Private Yacht is a luxurious maritime masterpiece, stretching 463 feet from bow to stern. Originally built by ADM Shipyards in Abu Dhabi, this private vessel belongs to Sheikh Hamdan of the UAE royal family and is valued at an impressive $180 million. Formerly a Dutch Navy frigate named HNLMS Piet Hein, it was transferred to the UAE in 1978 and rechristened Al Emert before undergoing a transformative makeover. The Parisian Piet Jean Design Studio has meticulously reimagined its aesthetic, drawing inspiration from the fluidity of the ocean and its creatures. Not just a vessel of beauty and history, the Yas accommodates up to 60 guests with a dedicated crew of 56. Luxurious amenities include automated stern platforms, enchanting pools, a helipad, theater, and a garage for aquatic toys such as jet skis and scuba crafts. Powered by modern diesel engines and equipped with variable pitch propellers, Yas achieves an impressive top speed of 26 knots and a cruising speed of 20 knots, which is notable for a yacht of such stature, once known by its project name, Swift 141. Number 7. Zumwalt class and the Ulstein X-Bow. Imagine flipping a ship upside down, surprisingly, it still floats. This intentional design not only maintains buoyancy but enhances the ship's functionality. It provides a longer waterline than a traditionally oriented ship of the same size, which increases hull speed and efficiency. The minimized outward curve of the hull, known as the flare, significantly lowers the risk of slamming in rough waters. Furthermore, this innovative architecture allows the ship to cut through waves rather than climb over them, reducing water spray and fuel consumption. As a result, navigation through turbulent seas becomes smoother and more manageable. Number 6. M80 Stiletto. The M80 Stiletto is a groundbreaking American prototype naval ship, renowned for its advanced stealth capabilities and unique design features. This vessel stands out with its pentagram hull shape and construction using carbon fiber and epoxy composites, making it the largest naval ship in the U.S. to utilize such materials. This not only ensures a light and durable hull but also contributes to its impressive stability and speed. At 88 meters in length and 40 feet in width, the M80 employs a wide structure contrary to traditional ships, which have become narrower. Its design includes 5 slim hulls that eliminate bow waves, thus bypassing hull speed restrictions, and a double M hull that greatly enhances stability and speed, even in tumultuous waters. Currently under testing by the U.S. Navy SEALs and warfare combat crewmen, the M80 Stiletto is light enough at 45 tons to be lifted onto a cargo ship while still capable of carrying a 20-ton payload. This makes it not only a versatile ship in terms of operation but also a safer option for military personnel. Number 5. A. Yes, that is what it called, A. Launched in 2015, the A Superyacht is a marvel of engineering and luxury, constructed in Germany for Russian billionaire Andrei Melnichenko. Boasting the title of the world's largest sail-assisted motor yacht, this $400 million vessel stretches 468 feet in length and towers at 100 meters with 8 lavish decks and a hefty weight of 12,558 tons. It features the tallest freestanding carbon fiber masts, which power 2 pitch propellers, and includes a unique underwater observation pod with 12-inch thick glass for an unparalleled viewing experience. Initially envisioned as a cargo or commercial ship, it has since been transformed into the grandest private sailing yacht globally. The yacht's futuristic design is accentuated by smooth silver metallic surfaces and nearly invisible windows, a vision that took 15 years to realize under the careful guidance of classification societies and special subcontractors. Every aspect of this vessel is a testament to the meticulous attention to detail and no expense spared in its creation. Number 4. Symphony of the Seas. Launched in 2018, the Symphony of the Seas stands as a marvel of modern engineering and luxury, distinguishing itself as the world's largest cruise ship. Weighing over 228 tons and stretching across 18 decks, this floating city eclipses the size of even the U.S. Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, measuring an impressive length equivalent to 3.5 football fields. On board, guests are treated to an array of remarkable amenities including a children's water park, a full-size basketball court, an ice skating rink, a 10-deck high zip line, Broadway-caliber theater productions, an aquatic theater, rock climbing walls, and even a park with over 20,000 tropical plants tended by specialized horticulturists. Unique features such as a cocktail bar served by robot bartenders underscore the innovative spirit of the Symphony of the Seas. Powered by 6 marine diesel engines, it boasts an eco-friendly operation, utilizing advanced technology to reduce fuel consumption by 25% compared to similar vessels. The commitment to environmental sustainability extends throughout, with a zero landfill policy ensuring waste is recycled, purified, incinerated, or converted into energy. For an unparalleled blend of adventure and sustainability, the Symphony of the Seas promises an unforgettable voyage. Number 3. Tropical Island Paradise Superyacht. Envision a 90-meter superyacht designed to emulate the essence of an exclusive, secluded island. This maritime marvel, with a 33-meter beam and a robust steel hull, is engineered for a cruising speed of 15 knots thanks to its diesel-electric power plant. Its design evokes the image of waves cascading around a volcanic island, within which lies a luxurious haven. At the heart of this floating paradise is a main deck designed as a beach cove, complete with a swimming pool that offers panoramic ocean views, private cabanas tucked among palm trees, and direct access to a bar, communal lounging, and dining areas. The yacht's stern accommodates a helipad, and for an even closer touch with the sea, deployable floating beach islands provide the perfect spot for sunbathing or unwinding in a floating cabana. Accommodating up to 10 guests, the yacht features an opulent owner's suite within the volcano structure, spanning 2 decks and offering breathtaking views, a private spa, and access to a cinema, library, fitness center, and games room. This yacht promises an unparalleled holiday experience, rivaling that of owning a private island. Number 2. Project Valkyrie Gigayacht. For those facing the all-too-common dilemma of where to dock their smaller luxury vessel, Project Valkyrie emerges as a monumental solution. Designed by Chulhan Park, this 751-foot juggernaut is poised to become the largest giga yacht on the planet, offering lavish accommodations for 52 guests in 26 opulent cabins, while also housing a staggering 92 crew members and support staff, because unparalleled service comes standard. Beyond the guest quarters, Valkyrie boasts an array of extravagant amenities, such as theaters, fine dining establishments, a shopping mall, a casino, and even enough space for unique events like a yacht-based Comic-Con. Blurring the lines between yacht and ship, this behemoth will set buyers back a cool $800 million, but with its myriad of indulgent features, the price tag is hardly shocking. Number 1. Pangeos Terayacht Giant Floating City. Lazzarini's most visionary endeavor yet is the conception of a colossal floating metropolis, the Pangeos Terayacht, defying conventional expectations. First imagined by Pier Paolo Lazzarini in 2009, this extraordinary vessel is designed to support an entire city on water, with a mammoth structure spanning 1,800 feet in length and a breadth of 2,000 feet, resembling an aquatic turtle. Featuring a colossal aft gate and additional side entrances, the hull comprises 30,000 watertight cells, creating an unsinkable foundation interconnected through a labyrinth of corridors. The gargantuan scale of this seabound city allows for an array of amenities, promising up to 60,000 lodging options, encompassing everything from resorts, side apartments, beach clubs, villas, to an expansive rooftop garden and a shopping mall. Propelled by 9 electric HTS engines, the Terayacht is capable of a cruising speed of 5 knots. This futuristic concept, currently a figment of creative ingenuity, represents Lazzarini's aspiration to one day actualize it, with the vision for a specialized Tera shipyard in Saudi Arabia being the birthplace for this audacious vessel. As we conclude our tour of the world's most incredible maritime marvels, from cutting-edge research vessels and lavish cruises to the apex of private yachting luxury, we're curious to know your pick of the fleet. Share your top choice in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey, stay tuned for more from the K1 Car TV channel. Thanks for joining us, and we're excited to see you on our next adventure.